Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback continues on this one, and this thing has, now granted, big picture-wise, still a very, very, very big uptrend. But this pullback here, is getting pretty intense, and updates need to be made once again. I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Yes, these levels pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. However, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, you want to see them act as resistance. So in that situation, if there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, right around $79 is going to be that key level to watch. But after looking at today's movement, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level down because it seems as though with the more data, the truer level is going to be right there around 78.25. And I say that because you can see right there, 78.25, the price bounced. Then the price bounced from it right there. And then once the price finally did break down below there, that was, basically the floodgates opening up back again. So again, on any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, first key test to keep an eye on is going to be the 78.25 mark. So that'll be resistance level number one. And then for more of the overarching standpoint, keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. But as of right now, not really too relevant because first off, the price, like I said, just has to be able to bounce, and then it's got to be able to get above 78.25. And then at that point, it makes a little bit more sense to be talking about the 50-period moving average, which brings about the next key level of support, which is the big brother of the 50-period moving average. This area down here, the pink line, which on my chart represents the very famous, very well-known 200-period moving average, currently valued at 75, we'll call it 40. So that's the level that looks to be within striking distance. In the event the price goes down there and then just even pushes down through that level, next key level of support after that would then be down here right around 73.85. But as of right now, the bears are picking up some strength here, but we'll have to see if the bulls can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.